Hi, my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Fisher Cube. I think this is a really cool twist on a 3x3, no pun intended, and it's like a 3x3, but the front side is twisted, and I think it's really cool. And I'm really excited to show you how to solve this cube today. Enjoy! Alright, let's get started. But first things first, you're gonna need to learn how to solve the 3x3 before solving this, so you can go watch my video on that. And after you learn how to solve the 3x3, we can get started. So you can go ahead and get the cross, just like a 3x3, but if this is not matching up, you have to bring it out of the way, turn the center clockwise, and bring it back and check if it's matching up. If it's not, you repeat that. And then you can bring it up into your cross. And here I can solve this center, or this center with an edge. And I have to like that. So these are actually edges. And now we have to get the corners. So these are actually corners. As you can see, they can be twisted 3 ways, just like a 3x3. So you can get the corners in, just like a 3x3. So here, if I want to put this one in, I have to hold the edge towards me, which looks like a corner, and do the same stuff. Like the whole cube is like shifted here. So it's very confusing. So once you get the first layer, you can go ahead and insert the edges, just like a 3x3. And it doesn't matter the orientation of the edges, but you can get edge parity. So I will show you that in a moment if I get it, which there's 50-50 chance of getting it. So I believe I will get it. If I do, I'll show you. So I got it. If you don't have a normal cross case, then you get parity. So one of these edges are flipped. That looks like a center. So you're gonna take one of the edges and put it on the front right, and you're gonna do the right algorithm to bring it out. Then you're gonna turn the top in whichever direction you need to do it, and then you're gonna do that same algorithm. And then you have the normal cross case, so I have to do the L case, and then you can solve the rest like a 3x3. But here these look confusing, so I'm just gonna show you. So you're gonna match up 2 edges and swap these 2 for me. And I can do the algorithm. And these are corners, so I can do the same thing. Hold the correct corner in the good position. And like that. I have to repeat it. Now all the corners are in the right spot, but not oriented correctly. And do the same algorithm, so R inverse D inverse RD. And then you can solve the rest, just like this. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to solve the Fisher Cube. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And once you subscribe, you can hit the bell icon so you can get notified when more of my videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!